A giant ship's engine broke down, and no one could repair it. So they hired a mechanical engineer with over 30 years of experience. The engineer inspected the engine very carefully from top to bottom. After seeing everything, the engineer unloaded his bag, pulled out a small hammer, and gently knocked a mechanical part. Shortly after, the engine roared back to life. A week later, the engineer mentioned to the ship owner that the total cost of repairing the giant ship was $20,000. The owner couldn't believe it and immediately requested a detailed invoice. The answer is very simple. The tap with a hammer costs $2. Knowing where to knock and how much to knock costs $19,998. The moral of the story: recognize the value of one's expertise and experience, as they are the culmination of many years of hardships. If I do a job in 30 minutes, I spent 20 years learning how to do that in 30 minutes. And therefore you owe me for the years, not for the minutes. The mission is to inspire and improve lives. Join us on our journey.